Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queenie for those who don't know me, and if you did not know, I'm really into makeup. And by really into makeup, I mean really into makeup. I started learning late in my university years. However, during the pandemic, that's when I was just cranking them out. As you can see, I was experimenting with a lot of colors, a lot of different makeup styles and things of that nature. What I want to do on this channel is to get back into my makeup videos and editing and stuff like that. But yeah, today we're gonna try a little experiment that didn't really go too well, but just watch and see. I saw this viral routine of Uche Natori doing her makeup, going around, and I said, well, I have to try it, okay? Disclaimer, I don't have all the products that I don't even think I have half, okay? I also love beauty blenders. I don't like brushes, so I'm gonna be using my own tools. Really, we're just following the steps. Yeah, we're gonna follow the steps of Uche's routine, and we're gonna see if we're gonna get the flawless foundation look that this girl always has. Okay, so she gels down her eyebrows. I never, probably will never gel down my brows. So complete honesty, I had to get regular gel. Guys, don't judge, okay? I'm making this routine for the girlies who just maybe don't got it like that. You know, we're just gonna do with what we have available. So she sculpts her brows. She brushes them up. Up. If it's up, then it's up, and it's up, and it's up. So after she goes up, she carves them down. Okay, those are the brows. Now what did she do?
With primer, you guys know, Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. So people always have this.
Okay, the funny thing is, I actually used to have Fenty Beauty. Why did I say it like her? Fenty Beauty primer, but I lost it a long time ago. So I've been doing the Hydro Grip, Milk Hydro Grip. Love it. So we're gonna prime with that one.
Okay, right, base is done. I'm so excited to get into today's face. What?
Wait, sister.
So excited.
Wait,
okay?
sis. Wait.
I zoomed you guys back a touch so we can really get into the flavors, right?
Okay, we're
so
getting
once
in.
your primer is down,
Primer's down.
you know, you can leave it to sit and marinate and vibe and all that really good stuff. If you follow me on TikTok, you'd have seen this product endless amount of times, okay?
What is that?
I've been so obsessed with this. This is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm.
I don't have what she has. I have Born This Way, medium to full coverage. This is in the shade Cocoa. So that's what I'm going to use. For people who want their makeup to look like these makeup girlies, you actually have to put the makeup on. Like, it might be intuitive for some people, but some people will put on Alicia Keys level makeup and wonder why they don't look like Uche. Girl, you got to put it on. Okay, I'm going to go turn on my backlight because I don't know why it's giving Oompa Loompa on camera. I promise I'm not this orange in real life. Hold on. She has a really light concealer. I don't use concealer that's super light, but I have two of them. Let's see. So I have Born This Way, contour, concealer, whatever. I have one in maple and one in toffee.
And I'm about to go in with LM16, which is my preferred color. I do think the first shade I used is a little on the orange side.
Oh.
But as you can see, like I said, that one is...
Okay, so apparently she actually used the darker one. My preferred one is the darker shade that I have and not the lighter one. So I'm going to use that. You can tell it's preferred because it's literally like done. I'm going to use that where she's using the rest of hers.
So doing a contour there.
Oh, contour.
There.
Wait, sister. Wait. I didn't do what you did. Oh, we're already failing. Okay, contour. For contour, not gonna lie, I haven't found contour shades that I really like. So I use the Sephora concealer, but I use it as contour. And this is the shade 16. I think it's supposed to say pepper, but the words have since been rubbed out. Okay, hold on.
Forehead.
What did you do? Forehead. What did you do on your forehead? Wait.
Forehead.
Oh, like swipe. Okay.
And on the other side as well.
Oh, okay, so she's blending out her contour right now. Guys, I promise this is not how... I'm not this hectic when I do makeup, I swear. Okay. I know I look absolutely crazy today. But you know what? Makeup is about trusting the process. That's really the goal here, okay? Trust the process, sweetums. Okay, so after she's done blending out her contour, she blends out her highlight. So I'm still blending out this contour. I've never put contour on my nose up there like that, so that's different. Everything is sticking. So I'm just gonna spray myself with a little bit of setting spray so that things can move a little bit more. I know I'm not following you, Uche, but sis, everything's drying down very fast. Very fast for me. Great.
Now, I don't know that this necessarily adds anything to the longevity, but it's something I always do. So I think it's just one of those steps that contributes to your longevity. I really love the Sephora brushes. They are such high quality brushes. I have a few in my routine.
Okay.
And I make this funny face.
Okay, we're setting. So I'm gonna set with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in Honey. And I guess I could use a brush for this one since she's using a brush. I'll use the Sephora brush. She was just talking about loving them. I usually use this for highlight though, so I'm sure it's got a little bit of shimmer in there.
I can't remember where I saw it. It was probably on TikTok. Someone said to set with a pressed powder first and then follow with the loose powder. So that is what I've been doing recently. And I haven't been hating it.
Okay, well, we're just gonna skip what she just said because I only have the loose powder. I have pressed powder, but it's the complexion of my whole face. It's not my, like, highlighter color. This is so weird for me. So weird. I feel like she's putting more than I am. My face is like, sis, what are you doing? So she hits under there. Well, she said she doesn't like swiping. Don't swipe, Elaine. I swear, if you saw what things look like right now in person, you'd wonder why I look so orange on camera. It's the weirdest thing today. And the irony is that I'm wearing a melanin shirt, but my melanin is not melanining. Child, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so we're going in with the contour.
This is the Morphe.
This is where I use my pressed powder. See, I use things in an opposite way, but whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. She's using a brush again, so I'm going to try to use this brush again. She also went in by the eyes here, but she went with a thinner brush. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I'm just going to have to push my brush small like that and get up in there.
Hit those apples and run it up to here.
Okay, so now we're doing blush. Chile. So I actually have a liquid blush from Juvia's Place. I gotta say, I love this blush. I don't know what all them TikTokers were saying. This is too bright, it's too whatever. Maybe it's not for you. Or maybe use less. But for the dark skin girlies, this is amazing. This is the one in Coral Rose. However, she's not using liquid, she's using powder. So a dupe that I used before I got this powder is also Juvia's Place. And I use the orange eyeshadow. I use that as blush, believe it or not.
And then anything left over, I run it on my nose and also this top part just to make sure there's synergy between the whole face. Delicious. Oh, like I am truly gagged.
Wait, sister. You said your nose, okay? Okay, let's go.
Little brush again. This little brush is coming like a big hero, okay? So we're going back in with that 98. It's the one we used to set under our eyes first time. And we are taking this, it's like a powder foundation from MAC. It's the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. Gorgeous. What I love doing with this is just down here to really sharpen.
Are you sure? Mine's pretty sharp.
And I'm intentionally doing this before I do my final contour.
I think mine's sharp enough. I think we're gonna leave it. Okay, it seemed like she went in with the pressed powder and was setting her face a little bit. Not quite sure, to be honest with you. So that's what I'm gonna do, just to make it a little bit more cohesive, because that cheek chisel right there is a little bit too much for me. I'm not a fan of that. Okay, what is she doing now? Lining her lips. Controversial, maybe, who knows? I don't like lipstick colors. I don't like anything like that. Oh, she set her face too. Let me set my face as well. So we're gonna improvise yet again, balling on a budget. And I'm gonna use my contour as my lip liner. That's what I do sometimes if I wanna have just a little bit of dimension. Because I don't have any liners for my lips, because I don't do lipstick. I still want to take my beauty blender and go back in and dab everything after I set, but she didn't do that, so I'm not gonna do that. The setting spray is the Urban Decay All Nighter. However, I did mix it with the Maybelline Lasting Fix because I was going on vacation and obviously I can't take this big thing or the big all nighter one. And this was half of the Urban Decay. So I just had to mix it, and honestly, not mad at the combination. Okay. I guess she's just letting that sit since she's moved on. How's that looking? Ooh. Kind of cute, can't lie. Okay. And then she's going into her brows. So another controversy about the brows. Not controversy, but I haven't done my brows in a very long, not brows. No, she said we're doing brows, right? I thought we're doing eyelashes. Forget that. I'll save my little speech for later.
Brow harmonies, brow. It's like
how does she do her brows?
Crazy.
I go in with my, I feel like it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think so. Yep. With the Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. So I'm going to start with the gel, go in with the pomade, and then come back to y'all. So it turns out it was the lighting that was eating me up, honey, because now that the sun has set, I took a few liberties. She didn't use eyeshadow. I used eyeshadow. I didn't see her put on lashes. I did. I also did a little bit of liner. I added a little bit more, what is it? Pressed powder? Loose powder? Whatever. My Fenty powder child. And I put my hair down. Talk to me nicely, okay? Talk to me nice. I think the next time I do this, I'm actually going to follow her steps properly. I'm going to buy brushes. I'm not going to buy products, but maybe I'll buy like bronzer because she used bronzer. The brushes, like I said. What else did she use that I didn't have? Eyebrow gel, like proper eyebrow gel, you know what I'm saying? But honey, for a bootleg version, it ain't too bad. So y'all let me know in the comments down below if you think it is a hit or a miss and what other challenges you want me to do on this channel. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.